So you get home, you turn your Subaru off, and you go inside. You come back out to the garage to grab something, and you hear this humming noise. And you're thinking, am I hearing that? Is that outside? What's that noise? It's coming from the rear of your Subaru, you find out, underneath the back of it. All it is your gas tank and the evaporation system. It likes to purge out the extra pressure. All it does is run for a little bit, and it turns on about 6 hours or so after you turn the car off. So that on hot days when your gas expands, or if the gas is cold when you pump it in and it heats up, it doesn't change too much with the pressures in your gas tank and your evaporation system. So it's a very simple thing, it's very normal, and almost all Subarus do it. So if you hear this weird humming noise after you turn your car off and you can't figure out where it is or where it's coming from, it's normal and it's from your gas tank. That's all.